Have you ever wondered how it's possible to lose weight in a simple, healthy, and sustainable way? Today, we're going to talk about one of the most popular and scientifically proven strategies for weight loss: intermittent fasting. But don't worry. If you've never heard of it or have questions about how to get started, this video was made especially for you. Here's everything you need to know to start intermittent fasting the right way, with practical tips based on science. Before we begin, don't forget to click the subscribe button and activate the bell icon so you don't miss any content about health and wellness. And after watching until the end, leave a comment with your biggest question about intermittent fasting. Let's get started. Intermittent fasting is not a traditional diet, but rather an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. There are several methods, such as the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. But why does it work? During fasting, the body starts using fat reserves as an energy source. Additionally, studies show that intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and even increase longevity. Now that you understand the basics, let's talk about how to get started without compromising your health. If you're a beginner, the 16-8 method is the most recommended. Start by fasting for 12 hours and gradually increase it to 16 hours. For example, stop eating at 8 p.m. and have your first meal at 12 p.m. the next day. During the fasting period, you can drink water, coffee, or tea without sugar. This helps control hunger and keeps your body hydrated. During the eating window, focus on nutritious foods like lean proteins, vegetables, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Avoid ultra-processed foods, as they can sabotage your results. Remember, intermittent fasting is a powerful tool, but it's not magic. It works best when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Let's talk about some myths that are out there. Many people think that skipping meals will slow down metabolism, but studies show that intermittent fasting, when done correctly, can actually speed up metabolism. Another myth is that fasting causes muscle loss. In reality, it preserves muscle mass because it stimulates the production of growth hormone. On the other hand, it's important to remember that not everyone should do intermittent fasting. Pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and people with specific medical conditions should consult a professional before starting. Here are some tips to make your journey easier. 1. Plan your meals in advance to avoid poor choices. 2. Stay busy during the fasting period so you don't think about food. 3. Get enough sleep, as sleep deprivation can increase hunger. 4. Don't rush. Results come with consistency, not perfection. And remember, intermittent fasting is not a quick fix, but rather a lifestyle that can bring long-lasting benefits. We've reached the end of this complete guide to intermittent fasting for beginners. I hope you've learned something new and are ready to start your journey in a healthy and informed way. If this video helped you, don't forget to click the like button and share it with your friends who also want to lose weight. Subscribe to the channel to receive more content like this and activate the bell icon to be notified whenever there are updates. And now I want to hear from you. In the comments below, tell me, what's your biggest question about intermittent fasting? Or if you already practice it, share how it's been going for you. Thank you so much for watching until the end, and remember, small, consistent changes can transform your life. See you in the next video.
Attention! Lose weight quickly and healthily with Nagano Tonic, a revolutionary 100% natural powdered supplement that aids in weight loss and the elimination of excess fat. Inspired by the traditional health practices of Nagano, Japan, Nagano Tonic is your solution for a lighter and healthier body. Check out the official Nagano Tonic website. I'll leave the link in the first pinned comment. Visit now and discover all the benefits of Nagano Tonic.